Okay, with the onset of COVID-19, many changes have occurred into the e-commerce industry over the past 12 months. One of the newest trends is called buy now, pay later, or BNPL. This is one of the newest trends to sweep the e-commerce industry in order to mitigate the friction that is associated with checkout online. So with buy now, pay later, customers are able to check out and order goods online without actually sending any money through a payment gateway. What allows this to do is eliminate hidden fees, facilitate the checkout process, and allow for discount codes.
Yeah, I think it also just gives you the ability to, check out faster, and not worry about, okay, I got to spend $100 or $500 right now. Like I can make these payments over time. Sometimes they're spread out. Sometimes you can just pay it all in full later. And it seems like there's a lot of solutions now in the market. So, should we go through some of those solutions? I think there's like, I don't know, it looks like we listed 7 or 8 of them.
Yeah, there's a ton of solutions out there that help you split up your payments.
Yeah. So, and yeah, you can also borrow. The other thing too is that a lot of these are no interest, right? Some of these are no interest solutions. I don't think that it's not a real credit check. You're basically getting like free credit. It's like an additional credit card without actually having to get a credit card.
Exactly. Yeah.